Hi, my name is Tanush Kumar. His name is Hitesh Ram. We are going to do a conversation between friends. Hello Hitesh Ram. Hi Tanush. Are you going to home now? Yes, I am going home now. What did you like to do in school? I like science class. Science is interesting. We learn about plants. I like drawing plants. That is nice. Let's meet tomorrow. Okay, see you. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yashashwini. I'm studying fourth class in Babuji Vidyasagar. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Likita and I am studying fourth class in Babuji Vidyasagar. The conversation is between teacher and students. Good morning, students. Good morning, teacher. Are you ready for the lesson? Yes, teacher. Open your English book. We have opened them. Today we will read a story. That sounds nice. Read the first paragraph. I will read, teacher. Read loudly and clearly. Yes, teacher. Thank you. Hi, my name is Madhusri. Her name is Emhama. Now we are going to do conversation at the park. Hello, Emhama. Hi, Madhusri. The park looks nice today. Yes, it is clean and green. Do you come here every day? No, only in the evening when I am free. I enjoy coming here. Me too. Let's play for some time. Okay, that sounds fun. Thank you.